Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Subaru WRX front bumper. This process involves a few key steps to ensure a smooth and damage-free removal. First, we will gather our essential tools. Then, we will prepare the vehicle for access to all the necessary fasteners. Next, we will systematically remove all the clips and screws holding the bumper in place. Finally, we will carefully disconnect any electrical components and fully detach the bumper cover. To begin, ensure you have the right tools on hand. A Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench are crucial for most fasteners. A plastic trim removal tool is also highly recommended to avoid damaging your paint or the bumper itself. For safety and ease of access, park your vehicle on a level surface and consider using jack stands. Turning the front wheels inward will give you much better access to the fender liner screws. Now let's tackle the fasteners. Start by removing the 4 plastic clips and 2 Phillips head screws located along the top edge of the grille. Next, move to the underside of the bumper, where you will find about 10 plastic clips and 2 10mm bolts. For the sides, remove 3 Phillips head screws from each fender liner. Gently pull back the fender liner to expose 2 more 10mm bolts on each side, securing the bumper to the fender. With all fasteners removed, it is time to detach the bumper. Starting from one side, gently pull the bumper cover straight out from the mounting tabs near the wheel well. Work your way across the front, ensuring all clips release smoothly. Before fully pulling it away, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights, turn signals, or sensors. Have a soft blanket or mat ready to place the bumper on to prevent any scratches or damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.